Caption close. A Texas appeals court has upheld the conviction of State Rep. Ron Reynolds, D. Missouri City, who was found guilty in 2015 of engaging in an scheme to illegally solicit potential clients for his law firm. The three-judge appellate panel ruled Wednesday that there was sufficient evidence to convict Reynolds, and the trial judge did not violate any rules relating to the introduction of evidence. Reynolds was sentenced to 1 year in jail, but he has been out on an appeal bond since his November 2015 conviction. Reynolds has served in the Texas House of Representatives since 2011. He was re-elected in 2016, after his conviction on 5 misdemeanor charges of battery, more commonly known as ambulance chasing. Jurors in Montgomery County found that Reynolds illegally teamed with a convicted felon, Robert Valdez, to obtain client referrals for his personal injury law firm. Under the scheme, prosecutors said, Valdez obtained police reports immediately following car crashes, contacted the drivers who weren't at fault, referred them to Reynolds, and took payment from Reynolds in exchange. Texas law bars lawyers from contacting potential clients within 31 days of a crash, and lawyers cannot employ a third party to initiate contact during that time period. Election returns show embattled Ron Reynolds' retaining House seat. On appeal, Reynolds argued that he believed Valdez did not initiate contact with the potential clients for legal representation. Reynolds said he thought Valdez referred clients who initially sought out Valdez for treatment at his medical clinics. The judges found enough evidence to uphold the conviction, noting that Reynolds paid Valdez in cash, did not document the payments, and used code words in text messages to cover potentially nefarious motives, among other tactics. The evidence here supports a rational construct that Reynolds was aware of Valdez's scheme and knowingly permitted his conduct, 8th Court of Appeals Chief Justice Ann Crawford McClure wrote. Reynolds' appellate lawyer, Ralph Martinez, was not immediately available for comment. It is not immediately clear whether Reynolds will surrender to serve his jail sentence or remain out on bond pending any additional appeals. He was not listed on the Montgomery County Jail's inmate roster as of early Thursday afternoon. In 2016, Reynolds' law license was suspended. He filed for bankruptcy and was ordered to pay $504,000 for failing to give the proper share of a settlement to a fatal crash victim's mother.